How to search for Instagram filters on Instagram app. Hello guys, we are back with our new video, and as you all know, we all love using filters for our pictures. But today I'm going to tell you how to search for the latest and trending filters. So let's start now. Open the Instagram app, and then on the right corner you can see two options, that is the message feed and the add post or story feed. Go to the add story feed, and then you can see various options, and you can see filters on the right and left side as well. So go to the right side, and then you can see various filter options, and then at the last you can see the effect gallery where you can search for the latest and trending filters. Then you can scroll various camera styles, various type of filters in the effect gallery. You can click amazing picture of yours using these filters and try the new effects. You can search for amazing filters and use your favorite filters every now and then and click great photos of yours. Do try this hack now.